difficult to get a job in this scenario and in this situation without means with good package and without any kind of interviews and all. So it's good to join the Bridge Lab, and it's good to take the support from the Bridge Lab as well.
So hi everyone, today I have with me Imran. Imran has been recently placed at Magic Software. Hi Imran, thank you so much for joining us today, and once again a big congratulations.
Thank you, Bobby. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Imran Sadiq Sheikh, and I am from Pune. And recently, I have completed my master's degree from Pune University itself. And before joining the Breeze Lab, I was a little bit scared about the coding and all. I don't know the coding part very well before joining the Breeze Lab. But after I joined the Bridge Lab, then I learned so many things over there, the coding skill I learned, of course, and then after that as well, I learn over there how to interact with the people and all. And first of all, I would like to say thanks to my friends and colleagues who helped me out to reach these steps and achieve this goal. I wanted to, it's my pleasure if I mention their name in front of you, such as Zamir Khan, Omer, then Nizam Syed, Arti, Vidyadhar, and Pratibha. These people helped me a lot to achieve my goals, and they also motivated me in the different ways. Such as some has motivated me by their abusive words, and of course some has motivated me like their uh, helps, and it's because of it's possible because of my parents, the whatever the efforts they had put me to bring on this stage. It's efforts of my parents only. Because of them I'm nothing, and because of Bridge Lab as well, I means I achieve these goals.
Yeah,
And
that's great to hear.
it's yeah, when I share this thought with my parents, like जब मैंने उनके साथ में मतलब अपनी बात किया कि मैं मेरे को ऑफर लेटर मिला और मैजिक सॉफ्टवेयर से, तो मतलब जब उनके चेहरे पे कि मतलब वो जो स्माइल और जो खुशी थी, वो देख के मतलब मैं अपने जो पिछले गम थे वो मतलब पूरे भूल गया. In short, I forget all the things, all the sorrowness of mine by seeing their happiness on their face. And because of my family support and my friend supports, I reach this step.
Yeah, so I can understand, getting a first job, is such a very big thing, not only for
Yes,
you as well, and for your family as well, because now you are starting a new phase, you are getting into the, just earning mode, and you'll be supporting
yes.
your family now. So this is a great achievement. Yeah, thank you so much for this, introduction, and you almost completed everything, I guess one of your, friend which you have mentioned, I've also interacted with, Nijam. So he also placed in the other company. I don't remember right now.
Yes, he's
Just
placed
yeah, I
in
guess.
Easy Rewards.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, easy reward. Yeah.
along with him, there are four members like Pratibha,
Yeah.
then Vidyadhar and Aarti. Along with him, three members were placed in the same organization,
Yeah.
Easy Rewards.
Yeah, that's great to hear, now
And
the
along,
situation
yeah, and
going
the
good.
same things, we joined at the same time, and we place at the same time as well. So
Yeah.
it's good news for both. Yeah, and also it's good news for my family too.
Yeah. It's good to see you made some very good friends, and all of you got placed in different your respective
Yes.
companies. So it's good to that. It's good to hear that, So can you tell people about your job profile right now, and what was the
Yeah.
process in getting the job?
Yeah, as I said before that, I was caring about the coding knowledge. I have done. I did my graduation. I did my post graduation throughout the technical background, but I don't. I means I was not interested in the coding part. So when I joined the Bridge Lab, then after a certain period of time, I will become a fearless. I become a fearless regarding with the coding part and all. So when I got the offer letter from Magic Software, that time means I feel very happy. And even though the Magic Software is a, and in that I got job as a uh, I got job in education technology, education domain. And as right now I'm working over there as a full stack developer. So yesterday, on 10th March, I had joined the organization, and some kind of interaction were happen over there. So I'm not curious about the things and all right now regarding with the coding.
Yeah, yeah, that's great to hear,
And it's yeah, and it's good to share the thoughts. Like when I joined the Bridge Lab, that time I learned for example, I will share some examples with you. Like the if you are doing something or doing particular thing, like for example you are doing your masters or post graduation, then in that you will learn only hello world and Armstrong and prime number. The your whole life of the college will over on this pattern only: hello number, hello world, Armstrong number, and prime number. Instead of this, you can't say, means you can't predict the means what I will do in the coding part, and what I will do in the technical knowledge. Only means and you think means by completing the Armstrong number and palindrome number and hello world program, the your whole syllabus will stuck over there only. But when I joined the Bridge Lab, I realized means it's not a part of hello world and Armstrong number. It's a part of beyond the Armstrong number and the hello world program. And in that organization I learn the real time and I get the real time trainings from my mentors. The one of means maximum of my mentors, they help me out to achieve this phase as well, such as Ehsan sir, after that Manish sir, Minesh sir, and as well Hani sir and Nagendra sir and Gunjan sir. Because of the Nagendra sir and the Gunjan sir, this were the, I think this were the parts, means this were the two main pillars in the Bridge Lab. Because of them, they means they try to bring, what we can say, every time they were behind the students, like you have to do it, you have to do it. And whenever the review was going to happen, that time they share our weakness, and that time they share our strongness as well. So because of them I'm here. Means my parents raised me to live a life, and the motto means the turning point they have given the Bridge Labs. Yeah, the Bridge Labs person given the turning point to my life.
yeah, that's a
And
very
of
big
course
deal,
in my
man.
yeah, and of course in my friends as well, they support me a lot.
Yeah, that's good to hear, that's very, kind of you. So you have shared some big appreciation. I'm definitely going to share with this team, and they will definitely proud of you. Yeah, so I also want to understand, can you tell people like how you went into the job? So for example, once you completed your full stack program, which is fellowship program, then
Okay, means
how was the
you
interaction
wanted
with
to
the company?
you okay, you are asking me to share the experience about my company and how I join over there.
Yeah,
Am I
like
right?
was there any technical interview or
Okay,
aptitude test?
so first of all, I will go through that moment. I got the reference of Bridge Lab from Deepak. He has joined before that, before me, and before Nizam as well. So I got the reference from Deepak and his friends. Then after that, we decided, I and Nizam decided to go for the Bridge Labs. And I share these things with my parents. Then they said me, okay, it means they are giving you the job. Means they didn't ask this type of questions. They are, means they are sure about to give you the job and all. But they are ready to pay whatever the amount is there. So they are ready to pay, because almost we spend the money, means they spend the money on their kids or their childs. So they are means they are ready to pay. And then after that, when I joined the boot camp, at that time I was also a little bit scared about the coding, because the things are going on my head and I didn't understood. So that time I take the help references from my friends, colleagues and all. And after that, the when the boot camp is completed, so that time only you have two choices, like you have to complete the boot camp and take the certificate of completion, the boot camp only. But the thing was different, and another thing was that means you will get the certificate as a star coder certificate. So when I got this certificate, the if you got this star coder certificate, then you will eligible for a fellowship program. Fellowship is nothing but it's a 3-month internship program, the uh, bridge lab has taken. And in 3 months you will learn so many things, like first 2 months you will learn the basic to advanced by watching the tutorials and taking the reference. But after that, they will divide you in the group, for example, as compared to the technology, they will divide. So I got the full stack in a full stack as a full stack developer. For backend, I got the Visual Studio C#.net, and for front end I got the got Vue.js for front end. And in that during this session, or
So just a
during this
request,
period,
Imran. Yeah, your camera is, very, it's not a still. Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
right now,
Yeah, it's good.
yeah. So when I was in the period of training or fellowship, that time I learned so many things, and I also implemented that things in the projects. Then the journey has been started when my to and when my last week was there for the fellowship, ending the fellowship. That time I got an offer letter. I first of all, I got the email from the HR person of that particular organization, Magic Software. Then after that, we had a conversation with them, HR and all, and they just means only just they congratulate us, like congratulations Imran and congratulations Nizam and all. You are right now you are on board, and your joining date is this, and yeah, it means they told me that my joining date was 28th March, 28, yeah, 28 April, Feb. So after that, it was, I mean, after that, when the joining date is not came and offer letter, I didn't get the offer letter. Then I realized I mean, I was pending about the project, so that's why it's delay. It's means it's delay and it's postponed. And I got the offer letter on 5th, and it was Friday too. So the Friday was lucky day, and for everyone it's a lucky day, and it's a precious day in our culture.
Yeah. So that's great to hear. You almost.
So yeah, and there
almost-
were no technical interviews and no interviews for that. Only the only your review were happening over at the time.
Mm.
So in that review, they analyze and they observe you,
Yeah,
and
they
by
basically
after
check your
that they
skills.
put you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's great. So we covered almost everything, and you
Yes.
shared everything. So thank you so much for that. And thank you so much for
Thank you.
joining us today. And once again, a big congratulations. It's good, nice to see you face some your struggle time now you are get placed. So it's good to see you with
Yeah.
much more skills in your arsenal. So yeah, that's a great thing. Yeah, thank you so
Thank
much for
you.
joining us today. So I'm just
Yeah.
ending the call.
Thank you.
Thank you.